Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Samsung Sero. Now this is a 43-inch QLED 4K rotating TV. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $2,000. Now it comes in one color, navy blue. Alright, so let's go through the specs. For the display, you got a 43-inch QLED 4K panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. Now it features quantum HDR. The motion rate is 120. You got 4K upscaling. You got 4.1 channel 60-watt speakers that feature Dolby Atmos. You got built-in Amazon Alexa, Bixby, and Google Voice Assistant. For connectivity, you got 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and it features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now you also got Tap View. Tap your phone to the TV and mirror your screen's content. And the biggest feature of all, the rotating display. All right, so all of that for $2,000. Let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, now here's everything you get in the box. You got the stand for the back of the TV. You got your quick setup guide, your usual books and shit. You get a remote control, batteries, and the plug. All right, so let's set everything up. All right, now here's how the TV looks from the back. And on a side note, this TV is definitely heavier than it looks. So when you're lifting it up the stairs, it might be a two-man job. Now I'm going to remove the back panel. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, now here's your connections. You got auxiliary in, you got a link, 3 HDMIs, and 2 USBs. Now this is what the TV looks like from the front. Now I'm going to plug it in and power it up. All right, so as soon as you power it up, it says download and run the latest SmartThing app on your mobile. So let's go ahead and do that. Now this app is available for Android and iOS. Now once you download the app, you'll get a pop-up on your phone, then you can complete the setup. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is rotate the TV. Check this out. You grab the remote control, you're going to hit that rotate button, and watch the magic. Yo, how sick is that? Oh, this is so dope. Now you can continue scrolling. And if you want to rotate back, hit the remote control one more time. Back to portrait mode. This is so sick. All right, so I just used Tap View to pair my phone to the TV. Now you can also use Screencast or Smart View. So here's my phone. Now watch this. This is so sick. As I rotate my phone, the TV automatically rotates. Oh, this is some James Bond type shit right here. This is sick. All right, now here's where portrait mode comes into play. Now I'm on my Instagram. Let's go to Instagram TV. Let's watch a few videos. No black bars. This is so sick. Let's pull up one more. Now this Jeep tried to race me the other night. No black bars.
Let's go, bro.
This is so sick. All right, now let's pull up a TikTok. All right, now check this out. This is the perfect TV for watching TikTok videos. of course, we got to do the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rebier. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it? How's the sound, baby? That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rebier. All right, so now let's test this beautiful 4K QLED panel. Yo, this is sick. Now, this is what some of your basic phone apps are going to look like. Let's open up Facebook. Okay, shout out to the Maya on deck. There's your comments. Okay, hold up, that's me right there, looking like a boss. All right, real nice. Let's exit out of that. Let's take it over to Twitter. Okay, here's how Twitter's going to look like. Let's go ahead and like that. Dongle on deck. Real nice. Exit out of that. Let's open up YouTube. All right, so here's YouTube. Let's see, let's check out a gaming video so you can see what it's going to look like when you're doing some gaming on your phone. Let's go to Destroyer.
Into the Realms, week number 6.
Now watch this.
Now let me
From
tell
the
you,
phone?
man, the hype around Mortal Kombat 11 is at an all-time
Look
high
at
right
that.
now, just for the fact that we just got 3 new
This is so
characters
sick.
announced, and they're coming next month. I think it was the
speed up a little
17th
bit.
of November.
Let's get some fighting action going on. All right, so this is what's going to look like if you're gaming on this.
Neutral ducking on those straight projectiles, and again, that chip damage, it really adds up. Destroyer right now, match point 4 love thoughts. All less blocks the low profile. Wake up, roll out of the corner. I like it. Very good stuff. He's gonna clip him out of the air. Nomad dash. Whoa, was that a reset? That was a reset, bro. Oh, was he trying to get the crushing blow like that? That would be interesting.
This is sick.
I mean,
From the
maybe,
phone.
but whatever that was, I have no idea what's going on.
Rotate it back.
It made the Baraka stop eating his human
And I can
meat.
come through and read all the comments.
Stood up. Lifeline, okay.
All right, so there's your comments.
Fatal blow there to get the damage, but okay. Let's see now. Committing to the fatal blow conversion. This is going to be a decent chunk of damage. Make our Rose will need.
This is so sick.
Following this to try and take a round and stay He can do
All
it. alive. I believe in this guy.
This is it.
Let's watch the end.
No, do it.
Got him.
No brutality that time, though, Destroyer. And that'll be it. Love Thoughts has got the spins.
All right, now check this out. I'm going to open up the camera app. This is pretty sick. Let's take it over to the gallery. All right, you got shoes on deck. Again, if you rotate, automatically rotates with your phone. This is so sick. I love that feature. Let's zoom in. Look at that face. I got to screenshot that. Now, of course, you got all your streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime. Let me show you how they're going to look. So let's rotate this one. Let's open up Amazon Prime. And I was watching Archer. Here's how it's going to look. There it is. This is hot. Let's take it over to Netflix. And there it is. Hit rotate, go back home. I love this. Now you can also connect your laptop, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, whatever you got using HDMI. And here's how it's going to look. You can also rotate the display. Full screen laptop mode. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Samsung Sero is a major, major, major go. I love this TV. This is the perfect accessory to have in your man cave, in your princess palace, in your office, in your bedroom, wherever you want. If you're heavy into social media, you're going to love this. One more time, let's go to Instagram. Check this out. This is how it's going to look when you're scrolling through. Let's take it over to Instagram TV. Watching Instagram TV videos with no black bars. This is the best part about this. Not to mention the rotating display. Exit out of that. Let's take it over to YouTube. Start watching the video. And watch this. Bang. The cool factor alone on this makes this a triple major go. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.